Toad from the Super Mario Brothers movie. I'm on the landscape page. Use pencils and erasers for these and hit pause if I go too fast. So it's the one from the poster. So he's like looking up to the side, right? So we start with the eyes. So oval, long, sort of black eyes, right? So we curve it around here. Like so. Not circles, just kind of ovally black eyes, right? The other one over this side. Like that. And we're going to color them in black, and we're going to leave like black shines. So circles like this. Two on the bottom, it looks like. Right, so they're just highlights, and then you just color around these. Okay, like that. Right, and then his mouth, big smiling sort of line curves across here. And then the bottom curves down, so big smiley sort of cheeks and stuff. So this comes up this way. And the curved lines on the end. You got these cheeks. And then his tongue just comes across, bumps across inside here. Like that. So his head curves across here. And then his face is just this round little face. So it just like comes down around here. Like that. So you can color in there black or color it like really dark red. I think I'll just color it black just to make it look like there's like shadow in here. Because it's really dark in the picture, so. Okay, now, so mushroom head, so it goes out and around, right? So like a big hat, like really big. Right, and then we have the red spots. Like that. I can't see the one on the other side. So arms, body. So he's got, right, so he's got like these straps on his shoulder, and his hand sort of comes across this way, right? So say we've got like a strap here. So it like curves down from underneath his shoulder, and then his elbow sticks out this way, curving around down for the bottom of his hand, and then the top of his hand here. And then we have fingers for them. 1, 2, 3, and a fourth going around the back of his hand, like that. And you can just see his arm sort of there. We give his strap a little bit of an edge line. We can see his thumb just curving around there. Other strap on the other side. There's all buckles and things, but we'll just keep it sort of simple and do a simple sort of strap like this, like his backpack. Right, and then his body, it just goes down that way, and his body goes down that way. So then in here we have his blue and yellow vest, right, just coming down like so, and then the yellow inside. And then he has white sort of trunks here, and there might be like a central line going that way, and a ribbon, sort of like a tie sort of part just here. And you can draw this white or whatever sort of way you want. So you've got these drawstrings like so. So his other hand up this way, holding a stick, as we say in Ireland, in the west of Ireland. We say it's not a stick, it's a shtick. So anyway, shoulder here, and this goes up like that, and then his arm goes up this way. And then we can see just his thumb coming around, real simply drawn sort of digits on his hand, just these round, soft sort of things. And then his finger, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the tips of the finger just here. Like that. And then the shtick comes this way, right? So it comes out from his hand. So we'll go, and it can be kind of bumpy. It looks like it's a bumpy shtick. Texture on it. It goes off this way, and it looks like there's like a bit of branch like clipped off here. Textures and things like that. And then just the side of his hand here. And then he's got a rucksack backpack on his shoulders as well. So it just comes like a towel or like a bedspread or something, like, you know, that you'd lie on, sleeping bag. Just here. A little strap on that. And then his bag just kind of goes off the bottom of my page. That way. If you have more room, of course, you could just draw in a bit more of that. And I think that's everything. That is how to draw Toad from the Mario Brothers movie. Nice and easy, that one. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.